Hello again. Now we start a new chapter dedicated to strings. You most likely have already seen strings, I will assume that you have a basic understanding what strings are. Uh, but in this chapter we will dive into this topic much more deeply. For now, you've heard about strings, like you are using them just to display something on the screen, just to make your program more readable. But you were most likely doing this in a very basic manner. Uh, Now we will learn all of the, maybe not all of them, but uh, plenty useful method on strings. We will discuss what operations you can do on strings. We will discuss some special characters. We will talk in detail how you can actually determine how strings look like when you print them. We will discuss how you can index and slice strings, as well as how you can use loops together with strings. Basically, we will understand in more detail why string is an iterable. Um, we will discuss logical expressions over strings and also some built-in string functions, so methods for strings. Um, and finally, we will discuss briefly a topic which is called regular expressions. So basically, when you create strings which have some pattern and you don't specify every character in the string, but you specify that, let's say, third character in the string will be a number. You don't know which number, but if this character is a number, then do this and this. This is actually useful even outside the scope of Python. It's very useful when you are dealing with multiple files and want to do something for. Imagine you have pictures which are all called image 1, image 2, image 3, and you want to do something with all of them. Then it's easier to do it with regular expressions, as you probably will understand after we finish this topic. So yeah, these will be strings. This is the topic we will cover in the next few videos. I hope you will enjoy this topic. It's very focused on detail and maybe tiresome at some times, but if you are really dedicated to becoming a programmer, it's really important to have at least a basic overview of all of these possible things you can do with strings. So yeah, thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video where we will discuss how you can. We will do a small recap how you can define strings and what characters you use inside the strings. So see you there.